3. Correlational research design. The correlational design involves the collection of two or more sets of data from a group of subjects, with the attempt to determine the subsequent relationship between those sets of data. Correlation between all measures is obtained to determine the relationships. Characteristics of correlational research. Non-experimental research that studies the direction and strength of relationships among variables. Variables are the characteristics of persons, things, events, groups, objects, ideas, feelings, or any other type of category you are trying to measure. Correlational research design measures a relationship between two variables, without the researcher controlling either of them. The aim of correlational research is to identify variables that have some sort of relationship that a change in one creates some change in there. This type of research is descriptive in nature, unlike experimental research that relies entirely on scientific methodology and hypothesis. If two variables are correlated significantly, then the following two types of interpretation can be possible. The variable that first is measuring has caused second. The variable that the second is measuring has caused first. Some third unmeasured variable has caused both first and second. Types of correlational research. Positive correlation research. It is a research method involving two variables that are statistically corresponding where an increase or decrease in one variable creates like changes in other. E.g., a height increases, weight also increases. Negative correlation research. It is a research method involving two variables that are statistically opposite, where an increase in one of the variables creates an attainable effect or decrease in another variable. E.g., as coffee consumption increases, tiredness decreases. Zero correlational research. It involves two variables that are not necessarily statistically connected. In this case, a change in variables may not trigger a corresponding or alternate change in another variable. E.g., coffee consumption is not correlated with height. Steps in correlational research. Step 1. Selection of problems. Step 2. Review of related literature. Step 3. Participant and instrument selection. Step 4. Data collection. Step 5. Data analysis and interpretation. Step 6. Report writing.